Namaskar, I Jayoti Sharma, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Fashion and Interior from Jayoti VIdyapeeth, Women's University, Jayapur. Today, video. Today's our session is practicing on the machine. So before we start this practice on our sewing machine, we have to know how can we insert the thread in our sewing machine. So you are driving a piece of machinery and a bit like driving a car, or you need a practice before you allow it on the road. So you have to do practice. So get to know your machine before you try it out on in time. So know its limit and its functionality. How can it work a machine, as all machines were not created equal and therefore perform differently. So learning the basics of our machine by practicing it on fabric, and before the fabric we have to practice on paper. But first we have to know how can we insert the thread in our sewing machine. So this is the basic. How can we insert the thread in a sewing machine? In our previous session, I had learned